Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today is the day where I show off the project. So, my project car is a 1987 Honda CRX. So, we got it's a D16A3 I believe, and yeah, this is fully built at the bottom end. Nothing else done to it that I know of. And this is going to be the project. Now, the fun part is, this is the parts car. Inside, it's another 1987 Honda CRX. This one is an SI, so it's got the bigger sunroof and a couple other things. So this one I'm stripping down, as you can see. I still got the wiring to rip out and a couple of other things to take out of it. And the goal of this one is to clean up the rust, cut out any bad parts, patch it up, weld it, and swap everything from this one here. This one's got, so it's got the engine out of an Integra and the discs, rear discs in the back from an Integra as well. And as you can see inside this one, it's already been stripped out pretty well. A lot of the front of it is surface rust, where the main issue is the hole in the floor here, and there's a couple more in the back, which I've been working to get to. I have a lot of the bumpers that I've taken off here, as well as underneath there is the engine that came out of this one, as well as a transmission and a extra transmission that we'll see what we go and do with that. But as of right now, I got it stripped down, ready to go for welding, which I've never welded, so I'm going to learn how to weld with the Lincoln Electrical 140 pack that I picked up for a pretty good price. And I got the engine crane ready to be built for when I get to that. But most of it from now on is going to be dealing with the rust, and then from thereafter we're going to be doing the back brake switch. From there, starting to get the interior in and wiring, figuring out if there's anything that needs to be redone, which I have all the extra wires, a couple of looms, as well as ECUs to go through, figure out which one does what, and hopefully get it running by pretty soon, or as soon as possible. I have lots of parts and lots of time, so hopefully I can get this up and running at some point and clean it up. But first is getting it safe and running. From there, paint one day, hopefully, and I'd like to take it to the track, which is nearby the Toronto Motorsport Speedway, and try it out, see how good this car is, and then eventually one day either swap a B series B18 into it, or even a K series if that becomes an option. But I'm a learning mechanic, and the best way to learn is hands-on, so diving in full to a full swap, starting with learning how to do body work, the rust, getting rid of it all, preventing it, going through it all, and then swapping everything over slowly. So that's the plan with this. I'm hoping to it take a few months. I go back to college hopefully in the beginning of September if all is according to plan. There's tons of parts still in the parts car that I haven't removed yet, but it's all complete, and it's got extra headlights, wiring, engine parts, and everything. So thank you very much.